Prague is raining in Prague. So first day in Prague and it is nice. A little rainy, but it's nice. Grand Hotel and Spa, American Embassy. The ghost town. St. Nicholas Church in Strana. And then we go back up towards Prague Castle on that side. It's supper time, so looking for a place to have food. अब देखते हैं कोई क्वालिटी फूड की जगह कहाँ मिलती है. This takes us towards the old town. अभी हम हैं in the lesser town, which is called Malá Strana, and then we're walking towards the old town, which is, I guess, main touristy area. सुबह अगर आप यहाँ आए अगर 5-6 बजे तो ये खाली आपको मिलता है. लास्ट टाइम जब मैं इधर था तो ये इन स्टैचूज की restoration कर रहे थे, so they were all covered, couldn't really see it. बाबों को बंद किया हुआ अंदर. We'll go on the other side of this place, get a better view. So, after John Lennon was murdered, an unknown artist painted this in memory as a tribute wall to John Lennon. So, it's actually pretty cool. Supper. Here's the menu. Yeah, there's English as well. We'll have to spend some time on this one. So we've had food at this place and it's decent food, I would say. Time to go. OG Kush. All the flavors. So now the long walk up the ghost town, Prague. Where's the mini mart? Teddy's love Prague. Keep climbing. There are a lot of stairs. Man. I think this is the beginning of the castle. Almost halfway. Keep going. Okay, so reach the top. खाना तो हजम हो गया because I think the uphill walk, we're about I think 4 kilometers away from the hotel, so all in all about 8 kilometers we walked, which is good enough to burn today's meal. It's big. I don't know much about the history of this, but we'll add some footnotes in the video. थोड़ा research करने के बाद. Red shingles, my favorite. So, अब ज़रा explore करते हैं Prague, the ghost town at night. Smells really nice. People are having their meals. This is the restaurant. It's actually quite interesting to walk. It's a Friday night, but this part of town is generally quiet. Nice little places to have dinner. Let's see if we can find a way out. quiet for a Friday night. It's closed. There's a gate we can't go through. Yep, gotta turn around. Walking on the snake. Looks like we're walking on a snake. The Italian embassy. Jimi Hendrix. It's cute. Everywhere you go, there is a cannabis store in Prague. You walking up? Okay, let's walk up. These are the walls of Prague Castle, still in lesser town Malá Strana, but ये जगह तो बंद है because it's Friday night, but they're closed. मज़े की जगह है. It's like really it is a ghost town. और Prague में ghost town tours भी हैं. A lot of myth and legends. A lot of stairs too. खाना सही तरह से हजम हो जाता है. I think today I've already walked like 15,000 steps. And I think it's going to be another 4,000 or 5,000. The plan is to go as high as we can and see. So this is it. इस स्ट्रीट से जाते हैं. The city has just beautiful buildings and every corner surprises you. Once again, I have no idea the historical value of this. Okay, let's go. Finally going down. Long successful detour of the city, I guess. These little stones, they get so slippery. Yesterday we got very slippery. I'm not gonna say, but somebody slipped. This is the Mozart Museum. McDonald's is right there.